for this trade to like really show you a big return.
Yeah. And then now again, we had some of the good names. Now we're getting back into some of the disasters. Jonathan Dela Cruz, look at us, HEPA.
You have to see if this comes up on my screen with the moving averages. Yeah. So, I mean, just a quick lesson in. So everyone thinks like buy low, sell high in the market, right? Like that's like the mantra: buy low, sell high. That's not really that true in names like this where they're so beaten down. You have to figure how many people are in this name from 50, 100. So they're like, fuck, all right, this is a bad investment. I'm just going to try to recoup anything I can out of this. So any pop that this, what was the ticker? HIPAA? HEPA?
Yeah.
Anytime this stock gets a pop, it's going to be met with unheard of resistance that you can't see on a chart. So it's like people look at this chart. It's like, oh my God, all this thing needs to do is, just get a pop and it's back from 20 to 100. It's just, that's not the case because you can't physically see all the people that are trapped long in this name that had the same aspirations you did. And, that's just like day one stuff for us, but it's a good lesson to, I guess, teach this guy.
Also, the other thing with this is this, like if you zoom out in this chart, someone's going to be like, oh my God, this is a $3,000 stock in 2015. This stock had multiple splits. So even those people, like you just mentioned, owned it in 2017, 2016. When they keep shifting these shares, they'll never get back to those prices. Those people are like down 99% forever. Like they'll never recoup it because the stock is just essentially worthless.
Yep.
You had a 1 for 70 split, 1 for 8 split. Like it just, Jonathan, this is probably the worst stock you can ever buy. And then the last one.
Cheap lesson to learn.
Yeah. And then the last one rounding up was this Mikey B asked if Roku is going to continue higher.
What, Roku?
Worst.